Hi, Rajesh.
Hey, hi.
Hi, good morning, Rajesh. I have a doubt, Rajesh. Like yesterday, I have asked you, right, that individual month, if I select that individual percentage needs to come like the sum of sales by sum of fixed sum of sales.
Yeah.
So again, I just have it. Let me share my screen once.
Just yeah, go ahead.
Yes, can you see my screen?
Yes.
So I just have here that month-wise the current year sales, and if I select this January, I'll get the 6%. If I select that February, I can get that. I'll keep this one as January month if anyone is selected. But the thing is that here I have the percentage from below. The least one is a 2 and the highest one is a 16, right? So I was distributed like that 0 to 2 percentage and 2 to 7, 7 to 15. So when I choose like here, I have it as full. If I select this January, I'm getting that 6%, right? So if I get 6%, I need to show that chart here, like another sheet. Like, can you see now?
Yeah.
Yes, this is a sheet I need to get like here it is the wrong percentage, 17%. I don't find anywhere the correct percentage gauges. So I've taken the dummy gauge chart as of now. So if we consider this as 0 to 5 percentage, if I get that at the January, any of the month, I need to show this chart. Automatically, if I get that 5 to 10%, I need to show this one. So above 10%, I need to get this 85%. So suppose if I am getting the 6% here means here I need to get the chart this one, the 5 to 10%.
Okay.
So I have loaded these three chart into that shapes also as well. So I have created one of the calculation field here. Like if sum of is less than 2%, like 20%. So this is the way I got I don't understand.
Yeah, did you assign the shapes to them?
Like I'm here the green, blue, red. I'm getting only the red only.
But you have shapes there, right? Pull that CY sales color gauge to shape.
This one?
Yeah, shape.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Now, go to your. Did you add those shapes in your shapes folder in Tableau repository?
Yes, I have like shared here, but I don't find anywhere. I don't know.
Reload shapes. Click on reload shapes. No, wait. Go to my Tableau repository, shapes folder. Where are they? Which folder?
Oh my god, I am not.
Okay, now create that folder. Now put those images into that gauge folder.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to open shapes and click on reload shapes. Yeah, now see that you might have got those gauges. Yeah. Now for red, whatever you want, you can select that.
For red means.
You didn't apply that. You didn't go to shapes again.
Sorry?
Go to shapes again. Shapes. Yeah. Select red and go to that gauge. Yeah, now select that. Yeah, now apply. You got your gauge there. Make it.
Okay, if I get this July.
Wherever it is red, you will get that. Now you should get. Okay, your calculation is wrong. The calculation, open the calculation. Okay, no, calculation is correct. You select all the months and see, at least. can you make it an increase the size? Go to size and increase that. Yeah, make it entire view. Yeah. Where are you getting? Can you
Because
drag?
because I think we have not into this is a current year only. I have included the calculation field as well. Is this right? Calculation field 0.02, 0. Is this right?
I don't know. Like what is that you are looking? 0.02 is 2%.
2%. Like we are getting also the 2% only, right here. See here, 2%,
Wait,
6%.
wait. CY sales less than 0.0. Wait, no, that the second condition it will give you nothing. Greater than 0.02, okay, less than 0.1.
Less
Yeah,
than
yeah, less than 0.1. Correct. Yeah, this should give
remain.
you, should not give you any problem.
Yes.
Yeah, now they are getting.
But
Decrease
here we
that.
got only the 2 only, right?
You didn't assign the shapes, right? Yeah, go to blue and assign the shape. Then you'll get it.
Okay. Then we are having only the these only, right? 0 to 2.22. We are having that greater than 10% also, right? November.
Yeah.
But we are not getting for November is the same chart.
Now see the value there. What value you are getting.
The current year only, right? You're asking.
Wait. Go to that sheet 3 once.
Mm-hmm.
In this, wait. 2% to 10%. It is blue. The thing is, red you are getting for more than 10%.
Yes.
And you
Should
are
I keep
not
this
getting.
one?
No. Wait. Now, where did you get only year sales in here? How did you get only year sales?
Current year sales. Here.
Can you open that calculation once?
No, this year. Sales. Daily year on the month.
Okay. Okay, now you should get it. Why are you? Go to sheet 3, you should get it. Why are you not getting
Shall I drag this here?
convert that into discrete. CY sales 1.1 into discrete.
Which one? This one?
No, in the data pin, yeah, convert that into discrete and drag it to next 2 months, month of audit. Next to that, yeah. Okay, convert that into percentage. Wait, even for 4.9, can you go to that calculation once again? Yeah. Wait, none of your percentage is below 2%, right? 0.2%. So your green will
Yes.
not come, right?
Yes, we'll keep here that 5%.
Wait.
Okay.
You are increasing the value. See, okay, yeah. Manipulate your calculation. Okay, less
Yes,
than
less than 5%,
5%.
whichever we have, it
Yeah.
should be the green.
Then it is greater than. Now here you are forgetting one thing. You are saying less than 0.05 and greater than 0.05. But what should happen if it is equal to 0.05?
Then we'll keep it.
Yep. You have to be very clear with that. Okay. Yeah. Now click on apply. Yeah. Now go and assign the shape for that. Okay.
But above 10% below, yes, I got it. So now I want this is I remove now. So I'll keep only the January month standard. I will hide that show header. So now I'll keep the sheet 3 into this. Is this right?
Yeah. No, that filter is not getting applied to that.
Yeah, that's Yes. Now I'm getting the percentage as well as respective the diagram also. Is that right?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much, Raj.